When riding an elevator, the floor, the normal force, can either push more or less on you depending on how the elevator is moving. A scale shows you the normal force, also known as the force the ground exerts on you. When standing still, the normal force is equivalent to your weight, also known as the force of gravity. When the elevator starts to move up, is the ground, the normal force, pushing on you more or less? Will the scale read greater or less than or equal to your current weight?
Hello everybody, this is Mr. Lee and we're going to do some elevator physics. I'm currently on the first floor.
Okay, so if we take a look at the video, we can see I'm right around 184 pounds. Alright, now that you know how much I weigh, I'm going to play the clip. So I'm about to go from the ground floor to the third floor. I slowed down the video speed so that you could see what happens to my weight, or what happens to the scale's reading, which is the normal force. So let's take a look here. I'm about 133 and slow-mo. Wow, I get up pretty close to 220 pounds. All right, now I took a screenshot of it to show you exactly how high the scale went. Now this time we're going to slow down in the elevator as I approach the third floor, see what happens to the scale. Once again, I slowed down the video clip and I also took a screenshot so you can see exactly how low the scale goes. So let's do a recap. When we move up in an elevator, or when we start to move up, the floor pushes against your body, so the normal force actually increases. So the scale will read a higher number than your weight. But as soon as you approach your floor, the elevator slows down. Okay, so there's a change of velocity. There's an acceleration. The floor is pushing against you less and less and less. And so what happens is the number in the scale actually decreases. The scale is pushing against you less because your body is in constant motion upwards, but the floor is pushing less and less against you. The force has decreased. And this is also true for when you're moving down an elevator. To start, when you first move down an elevator, the scale will read a lower weight, but then as soon as you approach the lower floor and the elevator slows down, the floor will push up against you as it is slowing down, and therefore the scale will read a higher number. Anyways, that's it for elevator physics. Next time you ride an elevator, think about what is happening to your weight.
Hello everybody, this is Mr. Lee and we're going to do some elevator physics. I'm currently on the first floor. I'm about to go to the third floor. See what happens to my weight. Wow, did you see that? My weight went up from 190 to 200 pounds. Oh, I'm about to slow down. See what happens to my weight. Woo! Did you see that? I lost about 40 pounds right there. Isn't that cool?